Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and SendFox. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new order is added in PayKickstart, it will automatically create a contact in SendFox. So PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and SendFox is an email marketing platform. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to SendFox. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and SendFox. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and SendFox. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and here in the connect, just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as PayKickstart to SendFox. PayKickstart to SendFox. Okay, then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So here in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart. PayKickstart. Okay. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as fulfillment order received? Fulfillment order received. So fulfillment order received is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new order has been received, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like subscription payment, subscription reminder, subscription trial expiring, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new order is fulfilled in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the whole gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. So this is my PayKickstart account. Okay, so let's go to this part called as campaigns. Okay, so I have a product and I'm wishing to integrate this product to Pabbly Connect. So this is the product and just click on edit. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and here you will find IPN URL. So just click on this button, add. So a blank called as IPN URL sprouts up. So in this IPN URL, we have to fill in the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IPN URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Excellent. So how about we check it? We have copied the right one. Okay, this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, excellent. Now in the set event, how about we make it as a fulfillment order received? Fulfillment order received, fulfillment order received. Where is it? Yes, this one. Okay, so basically we have entered the IPN URL and also we have set the event as fulfillment order received. Just click on save. Okay, excellent. So this means that we have integrated this product to Pabbly Connect. So this means anytime we have changed the status of this product, Pabbly Connect will receive the data because Pabbly Connect is integrated. So how about we go to Pabbly Connect. As to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the response, just click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we go to Pay Kickstart and test this. So I'm going to go to Payments, click on Fulfillment. Okay, so as you can see, we have two customer, Lucy O'Reilly and Elon Musk. Okay, so both of their status is put on hold. Okay, so I'm going to change the status of Elon Musk from hold to order received. So I'm going to change the status as order received. So yes, order received, this one. Then click on update. Okay, so as you can see, the status has been changed to order received. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Pay Kickstart, let's see whether it has captured this data or not. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been received. So this is the amount. Okay, this is the amount of that product, and this is the billing address of Elon Musk, and this is the billing city, this is the billing country, the zip code, this is the buyer email, this is the buyer first name, this is the last name. Okay, excellent. So all the data has been captured. So we have to sync all of this data to SendFox to create a contact. So to do this, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as SendFox? Okay, SendFox. Excellent. Now in the action event, we only have one action event, that is create new contact. However, in case, just like the triggers, if you want more action types of your choice, you can ask us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for according to your choice. Okay, so at present, I just want to create a new contact in SendFox. So just click on connect with SendFox. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have a token. Okay, we have to fill in a token. So basically, this is your API key. So to get that, let's go to SendFox. Okay, so let's go to Profile, click on Settings. Okay, so as you can see here at the left side, you will find API. Click this. Okay, and how about we create a new token? Okay, so I'm going to click on this button, Create New Token. So I'm going to assign a name to this token. How about Pay Kickstart Token? You can assign any random name according to your discretion. Okay, so I'm just giving Pay Kickstart Token. Okay, so click on Create. So this is my API key. This is my token. I'm basically copying this and just I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so the token has been entered. Just click on Save. So when you click on Save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. So the purpose of this blank is we are going to sync in this data, sync in all the data that we have received from Pay Kickstart into this blank to create a contact. So in the choose list, we have a list called as Sunshine. So how about we expand this? So we have two lists, okay, Sunshine and landing page sign up. This is because actually I have two lists. Okay, let me show you my lists. So these are the lists, Sunshine and landing page sign up. So let me create one more list. Okay, so star list, star priority list, priority or star alpha list, alpha list, star alpha list. Okay, so this is a new list I have created. Okay, star alpha list. So I'm just going to click on create. Okay, a list called a star alpha list has been added. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, star alpha list is also available in the drop down. Okay, so basically my point is, since SendFox is now integrated with Pabbly Connect, any variation of any change in data here will be reflected, will be auto populated here. Okay, so I'm going to create a contact in the star alpha list. Okay, so here we are going to map in the details that we have received from the Pay Kickstart. For example, enter the first name of the contact. So our first name was Elon. So to map in the data, we just have to click on this button. So just type Elon or just type first name. So this is the name, and we also have the last name, Musk. Okay, now we have email. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to SendFox. So how about we check it? So star alpha list. Okay, so I'm going to click on star alpha list. Yes, we have a contact called as Elon Musk Tesla @gmail.com. Okay, so the presence of this contact shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart to SendFox with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check it if the integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm minimizing my action window and I'm minimizing my trigger window. Okay, so basically the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to SendFox. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and SendFox. Okay, so let's go to PayKickstart. Okay, and this time we are going to change the status of Lucy O'Reilly and we are going to change the status as order received. Okay, order received, just click on update. Okay, so the status has been updated to order received. So let's have a look in the star alpha list. Okay, so let me refresh this. Okay, so yes, we have got another subscriber. Okay, so this is a new subscriber that has been added. That is Lizzie Manuel 27 @gmail.com, and this is the first name, this is the last name, O'Reilly. Okay, excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new subscription or a new order has been received in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a contact in SendFox.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.